2004 Honda Civic sedan eg8. I am on Maxpeeding coilovers. This one is blown with some MPC subframe brace and lower control arms. Wheels are Rota Grid V's 16x8 0 offset with a 205 40/16 eBay tire. It's seen better days. You can look at the previous video about what it used to look like. I'm gonna get a new radiator support, or try to bend the other one back, get a new hood. I already have a headlight, new fender when I first got the car. In my previous setup, when I had the clutch wheels on, I had hit a pothole, and I guess I hit it so hard that my ball joint popped out of my lower control arm, and my lower control arm ground up all the inside of the clutch wheel. So that sucked. Oh, and it's on Buddy Club rear control arms. Uppers. The front is stock. I do want to buy upper control arms. All the bushings in the front are energy bushings. I haven't really done the trailing. I still have to do the trailing arm bushing and the toe bushing. I forgot what it's called, but it's just the toe arm basically. The inside is pretty stock. 3 kids. It gets nasty. I have a Nardi wheel with a Nardi hub. 7-star Dragon Ball. 7 is my favorite number. I wish I had the OEM seat. I wish I had the OEM floor mats, but this is what I bought the car with 3 years ago. But I mean, no crack dash. Seats are pretty good. For having 400,000 miles. I'm debating whether I should take the Z6 out of my hatch, put it in this, or I have a GSR swap, but I need a Dizzy and an ECU and a couple more parts. But I got a 24 swap too, so I'm not really too sure. But then I'm debating, should I just buy another car and have it sit on the side so that way I can do radiator support and fix all of that before I do the swap, or while I'm doing the swap, and I can still have the navigator on the side. I don't know what I should do. Okay, 24 swap or GSR swap. Keep it OG. And I just bought the grids maybe about 2 weeks ago, but I kind of want a track setup, so I'm not too sure. This is kind of track setup-y compared to my last setup with the clutch wheels, since that one was maxed out in the coilovers, max camber. This one is higher up about an inch from that, 1.5 inches, and I took out most of the camber. It barely has any just because I rub on these 205s. If I had 195s, it would be fine. But I want to go with the wire tire.